Back again with part 3 of our 15 most powerful AI tools series. Today's lineup features even more brilliant tools designed to supercharge your creativity, simplify tasks, and save you hours. Let's jump right in. Change facial expression using AI. Search Google for Expression Editor AI. Then visit the media.io website. The app can be easily downloaded from here, but we will focus on changing facial expressions directly, so we will go here. Now click Upload Image and select the photo whose facial expression you want to change. And here you can see what expressions you can apply to your photos. There are many expressions here. We will select Smile and then click on Start Process. Our results are ready. You can easily download it. Find the best caption for social media using AI. Search Gravity Right on Google and enter the first website. Sign in with Google to get free access. And now click on Social Media Tools. Scroll down. Here you can create captions for all social media. For example, I will create Instagram captions. And now, you need to write about your post here and specify how many captions you want. Then click on Create Content. Then scroll down one step, and you will find the caption you are looking for, and you can easily copy it. Create short videos using AI. Simply search for Smart Short on Google and enter the website. After entering, click here to sign in. Easily sign in with Google. And now, select the video language from here and select what kind of video you want to make. Then generate. Your script is ready, but you can edit it if you want. In the next step, you need to select a voice for the video. Select a voice of your choice. The last step, you can choose the animation type, the footage time, voice speed, transition, sound effects, and more. Finally, click Start. Your video is ready. Now you can save or download from here. Turn blurry videos into 4K using AI. Open the Play Store app on your phone, search for this app, and download and open it. There are many other essential features you can use in video editing, but the feature we will use now is called AI Enhance. I will easily click here. Then choose a blurry video and upload it. Wait a moment. Once the upload is complete, you will get results that will surprise you. The changes are noticeable and it's completely free. Finally, click here to download or edit. Turn text to video with free AI. First, enter this website by searching on Google. Here you will be able to generate videos in about 140 plus languages very easily. Click here to get started. And here it will show an interface where you can select an avatar for the video, and then below that you can write the script. Once everything is correct, click Create AI Video. Now comes the most important part. Because here you will need to provide your name and email, and the video you created will be sent to that email from where you can download it. And finally, your video is ready. Detect AI content or scam using AI. First of all, to detect AI, we need AI content, so we asked ChatGPT to create a poem. After finishing the poem, we copied it. The next step is to search for Quill AI Detector on Google, then enter the first website. After visiting this website, paste that text here. Wait a moment and scroll down. After a while, the results were complete, meaning the AI we used was able to catch it. Find content ideas for YouTube using AI. Search for Vidic AI on Google. Go to the first website that comes up. After entering, you will see an interface like this. Write about what type of content you want to create or what your content will be about. Then click on the Go. And now your YouTube content ideas are completely ready for you. Here you will find a beautiful title, description, keywords, and also a content script. And you can also create custom thumbnails from here if you want. Create a resume using ChatGPT AI. First of all, open ChatGPT. If you want to create a resume with ChatGPT, ChatGPT will need to provide your personal details, such as your education, your job, experience, address, etc. For the example, I am using a random details. And here's the important part. After giving the details, you must write this message at the end. If you follow all the rules and send the message to ChatGPT, it will create the best resume for you, and you can also customize it if you want. Make 3D animated kids story videos with AI. First of all, open ChatGPT to generate the image. Write the prompt to ChatGPT as per the way you want to generate it and send it. After a while, ChatGPT will generate your image for you. Simply click on the image and save it. In the next step, open Vidu AI and enter the image to Video Generate option. Now, upload your image here and enter the prompt below according to your desired video. Then click on the Create option. Wait a moment for it to generate. Once generated, click on the video to watch or download it. Your 3D video is ready. Click here to download it. And you can easily create a story video by applying the same process. Find viral hashtags for free with AI. Search this website on Google. Then click on the hashtag generator option. If you are asked to log in after entering the website, simply log in with Google. Here you can find hashtags for that topic using the post's keyword or photo. In the example, I will use the keyword Amar. After entering the keywords, generate. Finally, viral keywords are ready for you, using which you can easily increase the reach of your posts. Create viral hug videos free with AI. First, search for Pixverse AI on Google and enter the first website. After entering, click here to log in. If you don't log in, you won't be able to edit for free. And then upload the photo here and write the prompt as required. Then click on Create. Click on the image when finished. Your video is ready. Easily download by clicking here. AI training video generator for free. Type Humva and search on Google and click on the first website. After entering, you will find many avatars here that you can use to create videos with your script. Before that, log in with Google, and then select an avatar of your choice from here. You can also create your own avatar if you want. Then write your script here and click the export option. Then click on Projects and enter your video. Your video is ready, you can download it from here. Create vector images free with AI. Simply search Google by typing vectorizer.com. Enter the first website that comes up. After logging in, an interface like this will appear. To use this AI website, you don't need to log in, register, or install any software, just upload an image. Simply click here to upload an image. Wait a few seconds after the upload is complete, then download. Your professional vector image is ready. No matter how much you zoom in, there will be no drop in quality. Insane product photography with free AI. Go to Penleli. Click here to log in. Easily log in or sign in up with Google. To get started, you need to upload a product image here. Then click here. Once the photo upload is complete, the background of the product image will be automatically removed, so you will need to wait a while. After removing the background, save the asset. From here, you can design custom photography for your product or generate one by selecting any theme. Click on Generate. Once the generation is complete, you can click on the photo of your choice and click the download option to download it. Make background music using AI. Easily visit this website, Beethoven AI. Click on Create for free. You must log in before using it, and sign in with Google is the best option for easy login. Then you need to mention what you need the music for and what type of content you create. And finally, write here what kind of music you want to generate. Or you can use ChatGPT to get prompts easily. And now click on Compose Music. After a while, your music will be ready and you can download it. Which tool are you most excited to try next? Drop your thoughts below, hit that like button, and make sure you're subscribed. More powerful tools coming your way soon.